Mate, I'm not going until I see you put it on, mate. So you get in there, mate, and you get ready. Like I said, the last time I drove this was 2008 on my wedding day. Because I had a lot done to it. It was left-hand drive. I changed it to right-hand.
Oh wow!
So I've done a lot to it, and I didn't do it right, and I wouldn't want to drive it. Sometimes they go, whoa. You know, you get a lot of people in England going, Nigel. If you pulled up on the side of the road and all that. So I said, you know what? I'm not driving it again. And I sold it to my friend. And then I bought it back off him, but it was really a mess. And then I just done it properly now. Just finished it, everything. Just lovely now.
It speaks for itself.
Yeah.
So it's literally every nut and bolt round up.
Everything.
And you'll actually be able to enjoy having the roof down. Permanently. Yeah.
Come on, are you driving it on?
Not myself, no. I'll let one of the loading team do
Who's
that.
driving it on? Come on, Sean. Mate, I'm not going until I see you put it on, mate. You know, that's all strapped in there, so you get in there, mate, and you get ready. Do you want to have a quick prayer before you?
I can have my prayer.
Yeah, but I think you need my prayer.